Everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to capture video in Cypress test execution. This is really helpful when you want to review what happened in your test step by step. So let's begin. In this tutorial, you will see this example, login page example. In this example, first it will navigate to this URL because we enter this sideboard visit which is used for navigating to the URL. After navigating to the URL, it will click on the username and then enter the username student into the username field. After enter the username, it will click on the password field and then type the password 123, and then click on the submit button. We will cover this scenario for capturing the screenshot in Cypress. So let's begin. First, open the Cypress config.js. Here, in previous tutorials, I have explained how to capture the screenshot on failure. You can check out this video. I explain in detail. Now, I will show you how to capture the video in Cypress. Here, enter video 2. After enter video is equal to 2, we need to save this test file and then open this login underscore test file. Here, enter the command npx cypress run spec for running the specific test. Suppose you want to test only the login test, so you need to enter the command npx cypress run dash dash spec and then enter the relative path here. Right click and then flip on copy relative path. Enter the relative path here. Now, you need to enter the browser name here. Suppose you want to run the test in the browser, Chrome browser. So here enter the browser dash dash browser is equal to Chrome. Now we can run our the test. We just make the changes here. Video is equal to 2. When our test will be failed, then screenshot will be captured because here I set screenshot on run failure is equal to true, and this is the screenshot. This screenshot will be saved in this location cypress slash screenshot. A new folder will be created here and the screenshot will be in this location. Now run the test. Click on enter. Our test will be run in the headless mode. This is the command for running the test in headless mode. Suppose you want to run the test in GUI mode, so you need to enter npx cypress open. Now click on enter. Cypress will run the test in headless mode and then capture the video because we define here video is equal to true. As you can view, run login underscore test. This is our test file name, which is login underscore. As you can view, this is the video output, the Cypress test, Cypress. This is the Cypress folder, and then this is the our test file name, which is login underscore test site.js, and this is the format of the video. Let's open this, click on login underscore test, and here you can view video has been captured successfully. Your test are running. First, you will navigate to the URL and then enter the username and password. After enter the password, it will tap on the submit button. As you can view, video captured successfully. And here, if it's all up, this is our what test. So here test count is equal to 1 passing 1. In this scenario, we do not have any failed test case, so there failing 0, no pending and no skip. That is for today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World. See you in the next meeting.